So we have two string trimmers. Say hello to my dog. Dog. Bullet. Hello. Bullet just loves two-stroke machines. So what we have here, FS45, Husky 321C. Both of them homeowner grade string trimmers. The Husky has a bump style feed head on it. I changed the head to a line Duracut head, they call it. I'm quickly gonna start both of them. You can hear the difference between them, and then comment below which one is your favorite. You can also comment the dog is your favorite as well if you like the dog more than the machines. And then the other one, it has an easy start. So it's easy. Still, Husky or Bullet. You can choose Bullet, Husky, Still. Thanks for watching. Ciao.